Hi, what's up? Yeah, yeah, we go. That's how we rules. And the spirit of Lagos, that's how it blows. That's how it goes. That's how it goes. You want to know more about me? You got to sing and you got to blow. Miami know the play, oh. It's been a long time we dey come. When you really serious, oh, you don't get money, nobody send you. God will also money, make you money, get the thing, the thing about you. When you get the money, then you got to know more about you. Just got to know that first. But then the next, we gotta help. Nobody people are son that making money in every time they come you wonder. Ìgbà kan rí pé mo ti mọ̀ wé. Yeah, we come, we go. We go, we come. Only one we do. And we still come. Sometimes things make me wonder, look at me down. The feeling is rise. No love, laughing to share. I know, talk later. 100, confirm. 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 So here we do. We can go. What you want to do? You can money every time. And you already do. And you buy new. I don't know if and you can do. You don't know time. I don't care look. All those for the rapper. Every time they call me rapper. For my night ground, they call me singer. You don't know if I do. You go chopper. Chopper. When I get the money, I go chopper. I said that before. Me then nah. No, we just do our thing our way. You know our ways always. But you know matter, say we never blow. Very soon they got to know also. I dey hustle, I dey work. Oh. I pray to that make you bless my work. Bless me also, bless me on. Doing your things. I do. God bless me also. Bless you, bless our house. God bless my house. Torí àfẹ́sùn, ọ̀sùn pọ̀típá, every night, every day. You got to see me becoming another fear anybody. Just wanna make this money, ó máa pọ̀ gan, rábà máa dé, iṣẹ́ for me gan. Every day by day, I no go talk, I no go duck, money go come, we have to duck, I got to duck. Wetin dem be talk, you never I go look. But the thing that I don't know. When I come, oh yo, we dey find rapper. 24/7, we are the best rapper. Every day we sing with the blow. money will be fine. Oh. Let them see me, then go straight to it. I know be today I start the hustle, then go straight to it. Hey, hey, go straight to it. But I do not buy it, they want straight to it. That's why I make this money, people they call me the next vibe, make a blow entire US, when they call me the lights. So, you know, I'm the light of the world. You can see anything, when I say, you can see anything, because I'm the light of the world. So, from day one, from day two, I start my business, I do my things my way. I don't want to make anybody come and tell me, say me, man, no, let my house, let me try to that map, you get it. You need to be living my way, get it. Because we've been coming, you can see bullets. You can see bullets. I don't mind saying my baby.
Feliz Arugurubu.
Every time I pray to Jesus, I pray to Jesus.
I pray to God.
Shut shit. The man on which is what?
When you hear yourself.
That only way won't see my sometimes I'm thinking I'm a little laughing bush, and I don't have, I mean, I don't want to do bad. I don't want to somebody that every time you have this start. But then she did it, and she military. When I told him my back, come and go through. I don't know how I because my name is Bullet, what you will be go to John Jaro. Travel from Miami to Dubai, a car up. The next guy is no, you know.
It will make you get one wrong.
If you think about, I have no idea jail.
Make you get one wrong. Lati get a by me to get.
That's why we know the part and money and the find big grabber. I'm a chaser, I'm a dream chaser. I focus on my dreams because I know my dreams bigger. I want to fight some, you don't let me. What you did? So we gotta do what we gotta do for a living. We don't care about us. That is nothing. Good remember. Huh? No problem now.
Okay. Okay.
Okay now guys. It's your boy. Idonez Vibes. So this is one of our work that we tied yesterday. This is where I'm lying down now. This is what we tied yesterday. And it's really handsome, beautiful. Let me show you so that I can check out. Although I've already posted just yesterday about the work, the surface, how it looks like. Although this tile is glazed ceramic tiles, it's not rustic. You know that rustic is the one that we always use for bedroom and somewhere that water can easily get attached to. Okay, but glaze, we use glaze for sitting room, dining room, normal room, and other places that you don't usually contain waters. You know, rustic we use it for toilet and bedroom. Yes, toilet and bedroom. That's what you use rustic for. So this one is glazed ceramic tiles. It has nylon surface and it's really good, really nice. So if you want to buy tiles, maybe you are a G guy, you be OG, mass PPG. Maybe you be OG, maybe say you want to buy, say just cash out, you want to do your house. Go buy glaze. Now glaze now be the best recommended tiles. Go buy glaze ceramic tiles. Okay, buy glaze, buy the one, choose the one we find. Maybe say the color day okay. If you use white and black, if you use other color, we will say you like well. So just make sure say before you say you want give anybody the work, remember our lamps interior and exterior design. Remember also, may just call us. You can see our number for our bio. Call us, tell us how the work won't be, which state you do, anywhere, even in Africa, anywhere in Africa, just tell us. We go knock you, we go reach your side ASAP. So we know the waste time, we know the waste client time. We want to do our thing perfectly and professional. Okay. If you are in Lagos, you are in Port Harcourt, any state in Nigeria, just call us. We'll respond to you ASAP. Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you. It's your boy Olams. Although you can also call me Idones Vibes. I'm a Nigeria upcoming artist. I've been triggered to get fame, but it's not easy. The dream is big. Although we're trying to get fame, but it's not easy. You have been through a lot of things before you can get fame in this country. This country is one of the hardest country in the world. Nigeria is the hardest country in the world. I won't lie. I swear to God, we've been through a lot, physically, spiritually. Still, although we still thank God, things are coming and working in place little. Okay, but we don't have to waste our time. We always do our things perfectly, and we don't have to waste anybody's time. Our dream is bigger, and your dream is bigger too. Support me, till you get. When I support me, I will support you too. In my musical career, in my work, my business. Support me. Support you too. We rise how na dey talk am? We rise by lifting each other. We rise by lifting each other. So just be. Let's go. So make we no go dull. Na the work I dey tell na this one.
This
one na idiot. It's your boy. That's what you be. We para. For the streets of Lagos, we dey para. You know say we get mad. Don't say that today. Bullets come say you re. You must down jare. Mo kàn sáré sọ Yorùbá díẹ̀ ní. Ṣó yé yín mọ̀ yá mi kẹ́ à ń bọ̀ ẹ̀ náà yá máa gbọ́ sí ẹ̀ máa gbà sí ẹ̀ máa jẹ́ kankan. Bullets gan wò pé ìdùnnú ẹ̀ ló ṣẹlẹ̀ náà. Although na so e dey be sha, no time to waste time. We just dey do our thing. On our way, I will pray for God to bless us. And you too, wey be say you dey watch me like this.